Hey everybody, it is time for Literacy with Leicester. So today is Wednesday, April 1st. So yesterday we talked about prefixes. So and if you remember our prefixes, we had right here pre, which means before. Okay, so if you pre-cook something, that means you cook it before. Okay, if you pre-mix something, it is mixed before. If you're going to cook something or bake something in the oven, you have to preheat it, which means that you heat it before you tried to bake. Okay, so when we add a prefix to the beginning of a word, it changes the whole meaning because we know what cook means. Okay, but whenever you put pre in front of it, it changes the whole thing to cooking it before. Okay, the same with under and then over. We'll talk about a few more prefixes next week, but these are the ones we're going to focus on this week. And so right here we have under, which meant not enough or below, and then over is too much or just beyond. So remember, when you have a prefix that's added to the base word at the very beginning, it changes the whole meaning of that word. Okay, so that is just kind of just a little short thing about the prefixes. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is nouns. Okay, so a noun names, as you can see it, a person, a place, or a thing. Could be more than one. Could be more than one. Typically, when we're talking about nouns, we are talking about something that you can actually see. You can see it, you can feel it, you can touch it, things like that. So, for example, one noun that I have right here is a kitty cat. Kitty, 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 kitty. Hi, baby. Kitty cat. That's a noun because he is a thing. Okay. Another one is a dog. Okay. Right, Panda? She's a noun because she is a thing. Okay. So I could put over here, I could put cat. I could put dog. Okay. A person, your mom. Okay. Your dad. You could put teacher. You could put kid. Anything that is a person can go there. Now place, school, home, playground, backyard. Okay, another thing could be pencil. It could be right here, cup. Could be this right here, computer. Those are all things. And if you notice, all of these labels are something that you can actually see them, you can touch them. Okay, and that's usually what a noun is. That's what we're going to focus on right now anyway. Okay, so for today, with those, the nouns, and then also for the prefixes that we did, the nouns, the work that I need you to do for the nouns would be right here. Okay, so if you look, it tells you right here, a noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. The directions tell you to read the story right here and circle all the nouns, then write the nouns next to the pictures below. Okay, so you're just going to start right here and you're just going to read each sentence. Okay, and they say it's a story, and because all the sentences kind of go together. It looks to me that there is maybe two in the very first one, one in this one, one in this one, one in this one, two in this one, and then one in that one. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to circle the nouns in each sentence, and then you're going to write them over here. Okay, make sure you're giving your best handwriting. Okay, and then for some prefix work. Okay, so this one right here is going with the prefix over. Okay, and then this right here, it says it's above or too much. Okay, so there's a story, it's called At the Pool, and what I need you to do on that is you just read the story. Okay, and I would love it if when you're going through this story, if you would get your pencil and circle or go ahead and underline all the words that you see that have the prefix over in it, and then box that prefix. Okay, this was not the only one. Okay, there are more of them. Okay, and then after you get done reading it, and after you find all of the words that have the prefix over in it, go ahead and answer these questions. Why did he get out of the pool? What happened when they refilled the cup? And use the word overcook in a sentence. It needs to be a complete sentence, capital letter at the beginning, and then punctuation at the end. Okay, and that is all for this part of your assignments today, but please make sure that you are reading so that way you can fill out the Wednesday part of your reading log. Okay, so make sure you do that. And then also for today, for Wednesday, it says, do you like to drink milk? Would you rather drink chocolate milk or white milk? So on the back, you're going to go to the third spot to write. And if I were doing this, I would put, I like to drink milk. I would rather drink, and then you're going to say whether you like chocolate milk or white milk, and then kind of tell me why. Give me 3 good sentences for that. Okay, just 3 good sentences is really all I need for that. So make sure you're doing that as well. Okay, I love to see your handwriting look as neat as possible, so that way I can for sure read it whenever I get these back, because I love to read your guys' your writing, because I think you guys come up with the best stuff. So that is our lesson for today, for Wednesday. Keep working as hard as you can. Remember, on your reading log, you may use the Epic site. You may read actual books, however you want to do that. That's fine by me. And then the login sheet that I gave you that has all of your the websites on there, the learning websites, please use those. I think that you'll really like them. And it's extra practice on things that you guys already know, so that way you guys don't forget that kind of stuff, because that's very important to remember. So that's all I have for you today. Remember, if you have any questions, please make sure to contact me any way that you can. Contact me and I will be absolutely happy to help. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.